Hi there, junior chefs. This is Miss Rachna. We're going to be making a delicious, mouth-watering ice cream cake today, and it is so easy peasy that you can make it all by yourself. All right, so first things first, we need to know the ingredients. All right, so today I'm going to use a tiny 7-inch pan. Again, I'm going to make a very small cake just so that you guys can learn how to make this. But of course, if you're making a bigger one, have a bigger pan. Square pans are recommended. So, are we ready to get started? Let's do this. All right, so the first step is to wash your hands, actually. I have just done that before I came here, so we're good. Then we're going to get started. So I am going to make a tiny ice cream cake, and so I will use 4 of them. Typically you're counting, if you have 10 people, you need 10 ice cream bars. Ice cream sandwiches. Put the trash to the side. Alright, so I've got my ice cream sandwiches. And again, if you're making a bigger one, you'll fill the pan up. Then next comes our Cool Whip. So I have my big spoon. I'm gonna give it a good stir. All right, and here we go. Slap some on. And I'm gonna cover up. I go ahead and cover the sides up as well. You don't have to, you can do it at the end. I like to double layer my cake. So with the toppings in the middle. So here I go. It doesn't have to be perfect. And the cool thing about this recipe is there's really not any measurements. You kind of go with the flow how you want to. However much Cool Whip that you want to use, however much toppings you want to use. So I've got all the sides covered up really good. Oh, and make sure that your Cool Whip is completely thawed. It'll be a lot easier to work with. So you can see it's kind of all spread through. All right, and then fun part. We're going to use the favorite toppings. Gosh. There we go. Oh, and if you decide that you want to use the drizzle, the magic shell drizzle, make sure that you shake it up about 30 seconds or so. That's the best way to make it work. And pour it very slowly. It's very liquidy. So you want to just drizzle it. So just kind of give it a nice drizzle look. And then let's go at it with some M&Ms. All right. So it makes it nice and colorful, already looking yummy, right? Okay, so now just repeat the steps. You can do any decorations that you want. You can do more of the drizzle, you can do the sprinkles, you can do the icing letters, more M&Ms or your favorite candy, whatever you want. So let me do some quick decor. It's junior chefs in action. You guys see it? And then you can also add sprinkles around it, or again, maybe drizzle some of this on the side. It's been a minute, so let me shake it up really good. And add a little drizzle around the sides. All right. And I'm sure you guys can make it really pretty by adding a bunch of sprinkles and some fun stuff. You can even add some cherries on top. But that's it. And stick it in the freezer and you're ready to go. Easy peasy ice cream cake. Sure, nobody touches my cake. George. George, no touching.